Good afternoon, all. My name is Samiksha Gavande, and today's my topic is food wastage. We all are aware the word food wastage. Food wastage is simply said the food which are intended for human consumption that is lost and wasted during and throughout the supply chain of the food process, that is from farming, harvesting, production, distribution, transportation, packaging, and other retailing, consuming, and householding process. The 40% of the maximum, that is 40% of the food is wasted during retailer, consumer, and household processes. Food wastage is the important factor that affect our environment and always the health issue also. Food wastage is leading in the overall worldwide. So the 800 more than 800 millions of people are suffering from food wastage disease. Food wastage, that is they are suffering from malnutrition, poverty, then hungerness, and other health related issue. Then according to food organization, more than 800 people are suffering from the poverty and malnutrition problems. Food wastage is the leading problem that impact on our environment as well as health and other related issues. So we will discuss what factors that affecting the food wastage. Food wastage is mainly caused during the householded material of food, retailing and consuming process, that is supply of chain, in production, distribution, and transport of food. In overall world, the India and China has biggest household wastage in daily life. So, and the Australia is the biggest country of the food wastage and also known as the food wastage country. So, the factors affecting the food wastage is first one is the lack of awareness, supply of chain. First one is consumer behavior. The consumer behavior is mostly matter in the food wastage, that is consumer is buying the excessive amount of food which is not necessary for their daily life, and it leads to the food wastage. Then second one is the lack of awareness. The person or consumer do not aware the expiration date or the use of before date of the product, and the more leads to the food wastage. The lack of awareness is directly affects on the food wastage. Then third one is the improper storage. The household food is not storing properly, that is the lack of knowledge of storing, that is a refrigerator. The food is wasted during the household waste. So the third one is proper storage. Proper storage is mostly matter in the food storing. Then packaging is also important factor to the directly affect to the food wastage, that is improper or inappropriately packing of the food. It leads to the food loss, and which causes or leads to the food wastage. Then a supply chain. During the supply chain of food, in production, distribution, transportation, farming, harvesting, retailing, and consuming processing, the many food are lost during the supply chain of food. Then we will discuss how to reduce the food wastage. The food wastage is reduced by proper meal planning and shop smartly. That is that is unnecessary buying of the product will stop, and smartly shopping of the food product. Then proper storage, that is the proper storage is very important for food storing, which decrease the loss of food. Then government of India government have many initiated plan about the food storage and reducing the food wastage. That is the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana. It focuses on how to reduce the food during the wastage, transportation, harvesting, packaging, and all the supply chain of the food product. So, and the second one is the United Agriculture and Food and Agriculture United Organization. It also focuses on how to reduce the food and knowledge about what food wastage is stopped. So there are two mainly plans which are and many other plans which are initiated by government to reduce the food wastage. Food wastage is the important factor that is focus on our environment and health issue. Food wastage, it leads to the malnutrition, poverty, and many other health related issues. So it's important to the proper use of food. Thank you. It's all about the food wastage. Thank you.